Okay, guys, I'm back. So now, after we finish reviewing all our Boxy Charms, all our um, other makeup, I want to talk about health. We recently finally muster up the courage to take the vaccine. I'm not going to 100% try to sway anyone to take the vaccine, but I subscribe to the Push Black uh, Facebook web page, and I read thoroughly about why, as a nation of African Americans, um, with whatever you're mixed with, I'm not going to go into that. We're just going to be politically correct. Why you should take the vaccine. Um, Most importantly, you have to make the decision for yourself and for your family. I'm not going to go into why you should take it. For me and my family, I made the decision after months of saying, no, I'm not taking it. We don't know what's going on. Um, we could be test dummies or whatever. But I bit the bullet, had the vaccine, had my children 14 and over vaccinated on Sunday. With that being said, these are the items that I also purchased. Drinking water, to me, for me, is not enough anymore. I researched, I've read, um, and I started purchasing more water, but also Pedialyte. A lot of us don't drink enough water, so you want to stay hydrated. Drink the full thing over your weekend. Tylenol. Um, we've been using Tylenol since the beginning of time. If you take the vaccine, make sure you get some Tylenol. I got the regular strength liquid gel capsule with 325 milligrams each. Now, also started purchasing uh, women's multivitamin gummies in Nature's Bounty. And this one is 50 milligrams per serving with collagen. Supports energy, immune, and bone health. I also got the Nature's Bounty Advanced Hair, Skin, and Nail Gummy with over 2 times biotin, 6,000 mcg per serving, vitamin A, antioxidant vitamin C and E, and it's also non-GMO. You get 80 gummies, and if you go to CVS at this time, you buy one, you get the second bottle 50% off, and they retail for about $14.99 or $19.99. So we can always look good on the outside, but now is the time, if you never have before, start taking care of your inside.